Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Siddharth Sharma.
Hi guys, this is Khushi Joshi.
And today we are here at India Forums office and we're gonna play this game called
Never have I ever.
पहले हम लोग कसम लेते हैं ताकि कोई भी झूठ ना बोले. कोई झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. हाँ, तो कसम लीजिए. हाथ से ऐसे रखो. ये तो हम इस नेवर हैव आई एवर के कार्डबोर्ड पीस पे हाथ रख के कसम खाते हैं कि हम जो ही बोलेंगे सच के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं बोलेंगे और बोलेंगे तो हमें पंचबीरी की कसम है कि वो शो उस स्पेसिफिक बंदे के लिए कभी काम नहीं करेगा कसम से. ठीक है, चलो.
Picked up things from a hotel.
Never.
What?
हाँ, लाइक फ्रिज में से जो होते हैं ना बेसिकली जैसे हम होटल्स ट्रैवल
अच्छा, eatables then तो I have.
Whatever.
1-0.
Fridge में we have eatables, so but we pay for it, हाँ? Then we eat.
मैं और बताऊँ. आई थिंक जब हम लोग देहरादून में थे तो हम लोग तब जो लाइक टॉयलेटरीज होते हैं जैसे सोप एंड शैम्पू एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, सो आई थिंक वी गाइस कैरीड दैट.
I did.
Bag. I तो did 100% did.
I did. I did.
Yeah, because you guys were traveling and all, so yeah.
Been to a nude beach.
Nude beach.
No.
Never. Like.
He might have.
Like I've been there. Say like I've been on a beach and took off my t-shirt, but then was in nude beach type no.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of new things, but. मतलब on the beach आती थी.
Okay.
Sent naughty text to a wrong person.
Naughty text. मैं कभी naughty text भेजा नहीं यार. कभी नहीं भेजा.
I have never. You have to show it.
Show.
हाँ, I have never.
I have never.
Given fake contact details.
Yes.
A lot of times.
Yeah, like yeah, a lot of times.
Been asked out by someone of the same sex.
No.
When does this happen? मतलब if you want to
अच्छा
share.
डिटेल्स लेने होता रहता है कभी
इतना क्यूट है हमारा लड़का तो
हाँ, like
होता
not
रहता है.
see don't judge me at all, like I'm completely ऐसे straight but then yeah, like keeps on happening, but then I really do not mind that because I really feel कि it's just somebody's preference and if they're not being creepy and if they're not like into any other thing, then yeah, sure, I will mind that. People asking me out, I'd be sweet and generous to them how I am with other girls.
And
but,
just say a no.
Yeah, and just say no politely. ऐसे.
Okay.
नहीं boss, sorry, हम भाई हैं.
Ever imagined someone else while making out with someone else?
नहीं. मैं तो जा रहा हूँ यार. How can you, खुशी जोशी? How can you?
Khushi, what?
No conversation.
Tried to touch your nose with your tongue.
No.
Yeah, I have.
It's too short for my tongue to reach there.
Failed in an exam.
Always. Each and every subject, especially maths, chemistry. Sorry.
No, very good. Go on. Say और
That's
और
it.
कितने subjects में fail हुई खुशी जोशी?
That's it.
मैं आई थिंक 11th में ना मैं फ्लंक हो गया था बिकॉज आई थिंक मैं उस टाइम पे एक अलग फेज था लाइफ का, बट देन उसके बाद से आई बिन अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट सिद्धार्थ. नॉट शेयरिंग अबाउट दैट entire story right now, but then yeah, I have failed in exams.
Repeated your undergarments.
नहीं.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Thrown out from a party or a public place.
No. They want me in.
बस सोच रहा हूँ कि एग्जैक्टली हुआ क्या था. लाइक आई एम ट्राइंग टू रिमेंबर बिकॉज दैट वाज लॉन्ग बैक, लाइक लॉन्ग बैक. आई थिंक निकाया, बट देन बहुत पोलाइटली बोल दिया था कि
दबा हो जाओ.
नहीं बहुत पोलाइटली बोल दिया था कि आई थिंक वी शुड बी एंडिंग it here right now, and I think said you should go back home, and I think I had a fight with somebody there because that one was misbehaving with one of the like one of my friends, and I really do not like if somebody is misbehaving with any of girls specifically. I respect them and I mean मेरे अंदर ना वो आता है कि I just want them protected always, and I go out and out. So I fought with somebody and that time this happened. So yes.
Shoplifted.
No.
Like for what?
For what?
forgot to pay. तो ऐसे आप शॉप बोल सकते हो कि हाँ. और आई थिंक ऐसा मेरे साथ बहुत बार होता है कि नो आई एम जस्ट इन अ रश ऑफ से अभी इधर जाना है, अभी उधर जाना है, अभी ऐसे जाना है. So,
Once I forgot, not any shoplifted story, but yeah, once I forgot my school bag at my home and I was in school and then I realized I don't have my bag.
Stalked your ex with a fake ID.
Always. If you lie, I'll. If you lie, I'll.
नहीं फेक आईडी नहीं, लेकिन हाँ प्राइवेट आईडी. आई मीन इंस्टा पे मेरी 2 आईडीज हैं, एक है पब्लिक. बोलो 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 बोलो.
I know the names, Sid.
हाँ बोलो, नेम्स बोलो. नहीं ऐसे ही रहेगा. आई मीन आई हैव सर्टन से फैन पेजेस जो लोग बनाते रहते हैं. एंड देयर वाज दिस वन गर्ल, सुराभी. आई डोंट नो इफ आई शुड say this name, but yeah, so she was putting it off, and she messaged me like very very sweetly ki I have this fan page with your name and I just have to put it off because my boyfriend doesn't like it. So that time she shared the same password with me. I was like, okay, I'll always keep it with me, and whenever I'm like feeling down or I'm not feeling happy, I'll go through the post and just be happy. So yeah, this is that. But then fake ID. Never.
Drunk dialed an ex.
Always.
पहले like I've quit drinking since a very long time and I just started when I was in college. तो तब किया होगा, लेकिन उसके बाद में never.
Khushi, what do you have to say?
Nothing, just I have a lot of time.
Been in a relationship with someone older.
Somebody older? Never. I've hardly.
Always, maybe. What's my age?
Had a paranormal experience.
Oh yeah, I've had like a really very creepy one.
So what's the backstory to it?
Never really understood, honestly, what is happening. Who's the ghost?
I would pull off pranks sometimes in the night, like when we guys were in Dehradun. So she's just sharing that one inside. But then in real, if you talk about, then yes, I have kind of can say paranormal activity, but I was never able to figure out what exactly is that.
I
So yeah, sometimes I think
all around at night.
so sometimes I think you just feel that you just doubt in your mind, is it some paranormal activity or just like it has happened because of something else. So you just try to figure out, and that I could never. So yeah, I can say that paranormal activity.
Lied in an interview.
Lied in an interview? हाँ. Not in this one. इसमें नहीं, लेकिन हाँ. Lied in an interview. I think when people talk about others and when they talk about say कि आपका इनके साथ कैसा है, फिर उनका किसी और के साथ कैसा है. So ये सब मैंने झूठ बोला होगा.
ये तो मैं तो हर बार ही झूठ बोल रही हूँ. मैं तो रियल लाइफ में भी झूठ बोलती हूँ.
हाँ. So just being not taking away from the fact that we have to be diplomatic at times. ऑनेस्टली रिप्लाई करने के लिए बोला था. हमने कसम खाई थी, इसलिए मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ कि हाँ ऐसा मैंने झूठ बोला है.
Loved it
कम्प्लीटली. एंड बस आई होप कि ये वाली बात लास्ट वाली बात कहीं बाहर एंड इसके लिए हमें क्रॉस क्वेश्चंस ना हो बस. Hey guys, this is Sinhal Sharma and you're watching me on India Forums.
We hope you enjoyed this segment with them. If you did, do comment and tell us. Pooja Mahajan, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.